Hi, today we'll talk about the Socrates. Yesterday we have already discussed about the dialectic method, right? We have already discussed dialectic, right? Now we'll talk about the Socrates method dialectics. Okay, dialectics was basically what? Dialectics was basically the cross examination of own view. ठीक है, own view. ठीक है, तो अभी हमने देख रखा था ऑलरेडी. नाउ टुडे विल डिस्कस दैट two important questions which are mainly asked from this from here. Okay, the two important questions which are mainly asked, that is, first question is the knowledge is virtue. That first question, important question, is knowledge is virtue. And second question is unexamined life is unexamined unexamined life is unexamined life is not worth living, right? Not worth living. These are two important questions, and these two questions can be answered in a similar manner. Okay, so first of all, how should we proceed? How should we write? Okay, so first of all, we need to write the context. ठीक है, so in every questions, ठीक है, you can start with the context. Okay, mention the context. So what is the context? We need to understand that before Socrates, what is happening? Before Socrates, we have already seen that the people, that the thinkers, basically pre-Socrates thinker pre Socrates जो thinkers है, pre-Socrates thinkers है, they were mainly engaged in what? Mainly engaged in the what constitute life. They were mainly engaged to understand what constitute the life. But what differentiated from the Socrates? Socrates basically what? Socrates basically gave what it is better to understand what constitute the good life. Okay, it is better to understand what constitute the good life, राइट. तो हमको इसको देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो अब इसको जो हमने देखा कि प्री जो सोक्रेट्स हैं, दे आर एंगेज्ड इन व्हाट? दे आर एंगेज्ड इन बेसिकली द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द व्हाट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द लाइफ. बट सोक्रेट्स प्रपोज्ड व्हाट? द Socrates proposed for the what constitute the good life. Okay, we need to understand this one. Okay, so to understand the good life, we have already seen that good life is what? Good life is basically the life of happiness. Okay, happy life. Okay, so happy life, how can we live the happy life? To lead a happy life, we need to lead a happy life. What do we need to lead a happy life? To lead a happy life, we need to understand we need to understand how to derive that happiness. Okay, that happiness is what? Happiness is basically the satisfaction of the soul. Okay, so satisfaction of the soul is possible if we if we have the real knowledge. Okay, we have the real knowledge. Okay, real knowledge, and that knowledge is real knowledge, or you can say the ideal knowledge. Okay, ideal knowledge. And that, how can we obtain that ideal knowledge? So that is through the process of dialectic. Okay, that is the cross examination of own views. Okay, through the method of dialectics. Okay, and that is basically the cross examination of own views. And then we can reach where? Then we can reach the true knowledge. Okay, then we can reach the true knowledge. Okay, and that will be the source of what? Source of happiness. Okay, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, अब ये हमने बॉडी पार्ट लिख लिया. अब आपको आता है कि हाउ शैल वी कंक्लूड इट. ओके, हाउ शैल वी कंक्लूड इट? तो टू कंक्लूड इट, we need to we need to write like that we can agree with the view of Socrates that knowledge the source of good life. Okay, and how can we substance और जो है इसको जो है that we are agreeing with the Socrates. ठीक है, हम लोग Socrates को जो है we are agreeing with the Socrates, we are agreeing with the Socrates that 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 the knowledge is the source of good life. Okay, so that is how is it happening. It is happening, it is possible. Okay, how can we substantiate this statement. तो सत्य सब्सटेंशिएट करने का बात है तो हम देख सकते हैं बुद्धा का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं, फिर हम महात्मा गांधी का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. तो महात्मा गांधी जो क्या कहते थे कि द एक्सपेरिमेंट विद द ट्रूथ. ओके, इनका जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी है एक्सपेरिमेंट विद द ट्रूथ, उसमें इन्होंने बेसिकली क्या किया है कि अपने बिलीफ्स को जो है एग्जामिन किया है एंड हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट his belief examine his continuous examination of his belief has turned him from what turned him from a common man to महात्मा. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम देख सकते हैं कि जो महात्मा गांधी थे वो पहले एक नॉर्मल लाइफ जीते थे. ठीक है, लेकिन उन्होंने जो उनका अपना बिलीफ था उसको कंटिन्यूस एग्जामिनेशन किया, उसको एक ट्रू नॉलेज में लाया, एक नॉलेज के रूप में उसको अपने गेन किया. ठीक है, उसको अपने लाइफ में अडॉप्ट किया और उन्होंने एक कॉमन मैन से महात्मा बन गए. सिमिलरली हमने बुद्धा को भी देखा है, हमने बुद्धा का एक अपना स्टोरी सुना होगा कि हाउ when he was traveling through his kingdom. Okay, so he observed the four stage of life. Okay, that is disease, death. Okay, disease and death persons. Okay, and two other persons like child also crying, like all these things happen. So it turned his life. Okay, and it turned his life and he retired from the normal life and he became the Mahatmas. Okay, and he went in the search of true knowledge. Okay, so it all happens. So we can substantiate this and we can conclude this statement. Okay, and thus we can say that the unexamined life is not worth living, or with the knowledge the source of virtue. Okay, finally we can write this. Okay, so that's how we'll write, and now we'll conclude here Socrates, and in the next lecture we'll discuss about the Plato. Okay, the next lecture is the Plato. Next lecture is on Plato. Okay, so bye. Okay, thank you.